An object is a special kind of variable that holds multiple properties that you can call with specific keys. Think of it like a large box that holds other boxes, which each hold their own value. Component.Studio has a variety of objects already created for your use. An object has a name and its associated properties, and each of those properties has a key and a value. Examples in Component.Studio of objects are images, rows, game variables, dataset variables, etc. Each property is a slot that you enter information into. Think of each column in your dataset as the property for the corresponding row. The name of the column is the key for that property. So, looking at data for this card, we use the templating language of row.name to call the text orc. In this case, row is the object, and name is the key to get the text from our dataset. If we change the key to the name of a different column, we pull the data from that property. For example, if I change that to row.room, we'll get gate. You can actually call these object properties in two other ways. The first is simple. Enter the object name followed by the desired key in brackets and quotes. This will have the same result as doing row.room. Where it gets fancy is using another variable to control the key. For example, we've created a game variable called column reference. In the value of the variable, we put the name of the column we'll be calling, in this case, name. Now, we can use that variable in the templating language in place of the property key. When it executes, Component.Studio replaces that variable with the column text name, which is then used as the key to reference our dataset. This means that if we change that variable from name to room, then the column called by this expression will change accordingly. Now, there's one level deeper you can go. The value of a property isn't limited to simple text or numbers. It can actually be another object. So, a use case might be to handle images. Images are objects that have the properties of a URL, its height, and its width. You could use text like this to dynamically call your image URL based on your card name. To do this, you'd have to make sure that the desired image matches the name of the row. This variable is replaced with the row name. In this case, it would be replaced with orc. Then, images orc.url calls the image URL, which we can use in an image layer. Effectively, this example eliminates the need for a separate URL column, assuming the name of all your images match the corresponding dataset row. And if you really wanted to, you could also replace URL with a variable that contained URL, and this would still function. But that's an overview of objects and how to nest them in your designs. If you have questions or need help, please join us in our Component.Studio Facebook group, leave a comment here on YouTube, or join the conversation in the GameCrafters Discord. Until next time, I'm Andrew Voigt, helping you make the best games you can.